What's happening? World Wide Web Lord subscribers. What's going on, guys? It's me, Marlon, guys. I'm the original student of the game of internet marketing, guys. In this video, we're gonna start talking about video marketing. We're gonna start talking about how to edit the videos inside of your 1 million ways to market rebrandable marketing systems. Okay. Ultimately, guys, at some point in time, as an internet marketer, as an affiliate marketer, as an email marketer, as an MLMer, whatever it is you're doing, right? Personal products and services, even JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, ultimately, guys, you're going to want to get into video marketing. I don't think I have to explain or tell anyone how amazingly powerful video marketing can be. And when you think about video marketing, don't think necessarily about the fact that you may have to be on the video, because there are so many ways to actually implement video and video marketing inside of your marketing without you necessarily being on front of the camera. For instance, I'm not in front of the camera now. I'm behind the camera. And or you don't even have to do that, guys. You can take other videos and use them to actually build out your marketing systems. But video marketing is incredibly, amazingly powerful and effective, right? And so in this video, I want to show you guys how you can start using the 1 million ways to market rebrandable marketing systems to embed videos inside of your video bridge pages. Now, remember, inside of your Leads League membership, there are a lot of video bridge page templates. So you guys can use those existing bridge page templates inside of your free Leads League account and your, that membership, and go in and just edit some of those pages out and start using video marketing in that way. And or you guys can take the existing templates that I built out, a little more colorful, a little different, right? And you can use those templates as well to start changing out, if you will, some of these rebrandable marketing systems when you want to start implementing video marketing in your business, in your own right, with your own brand. Okay, guys? So let's talk a little bit more about video marketing and why I absolutely love it, right? Why I absolutely love it. I like to shoot a lot of videos in my car, right? And so you guys, if you've been on my channel or channels, you've seen me do it, right? Outside, having lunch with my daughter, who always on the other side of the screen because she don't like me to film her on video. But I love video marketing, guys, because video marketing, number one, it just gives you way more latitude in your marketing, right? But ultimately, we're going to get into storytelling, because one of the ways to leverage your brand and or yourself is through telling your story, right? Or telling stories, period. Right? Or doing anything that you do on a regular basis and incorporating that into your marketing, okay? Okay? So that's why I love video marketing so much. And anybody can unlock the awesome power of video marketing anytime they want. And I'm going to show you guys how to fast track that process inside of the 1 million ways to market video marketing rebrandable marketing systems, okay? Because there's a whole set of video marketing templates that I'm building out as well, right? And this is just one of them, guys, okay? So let's talk a little bit more about video marketing, why I love it so much, and I'm going to show you guys today how simple and easy it is to take a simple video. And you guys know how I go when it comes to videos, guys. I love videos, and again, they don't even have to be all mine. I mean, I can do whatever I want to do, guys. Right? You can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's talk about shooting a simple video, whether it be on your mobile device, whether it be a motivational video. It doesn't really matter, guys. Okay, video marketing is definitely something that you want to ultimately consider, right? As you go out and you start to brand your own self. Okay, it's just something that you want to consider. And we're going to talk a lot more about it, but we're just opening up that dialogue, and I want you guys to pay really close attention in this YouTube video inside the membership, the 1 million ways to market. I'm going to show you guys how to take a simple video and how to embed that video inside of your templates, inside of the Leads League membership. Okay, so we're going right back to that thank you page, and it could also be a video marketing lead capture page, right? Remember, I said there's so much latitude, right? So here's that thank you page, right, guys? This is that thank you page. So I'm going to launch the editor to that thank you page, right? And I already got a video in here, right? I already got a video in here. And sometimes I have to straighten stuff out, guys, because I am OCD. You guys know that. If you know me, you know I am OCD, and I'm proud of it, guys. It's no problem. I don't have a problem with my OCD. But so I'm always making sure I'm dotting all the I's, I'm crossing all the T's. I want everything to be aesthetically correct. I want everything to look, Anyway, so look. So here's the video inside of your rebrandable marketing systems. And these same types of videos, or the template for the video, exist inside your Leads Lead membership in those done for you templates, right? So it doesn't matter. The process would be the same, right? So when you want to embed a video inside of your bridge pages or even your lead capture pages, guys, you would pull the template up. Now remember, I was on my YouTube channel, so let's see if we can get back. So I'm on my YouTube channel, right? And so I'm just, guys, we'll talk about the playlist and all that cool stuff later. We're going to go through the whole gamut. But look, let's just get this out of the way, right? So I want to take any of the videos that I recorded on my Screen Pal recorder, which you guys will find at the top left-hand side in the resources in your membership inside of your Women Ways to Market membership, right? That's the recorder that I'm using to do this video, by the way. So I'm on it right now, right? And I'm shooting this video like I've did all these videos. So when I want to use a video in one of my pages, right, and I would find the video that I want to use, and I got some. Let me see. I'm just gonna pick one. We're gonna talk. Okay, let's talk about the mini. Excuse me, guys. Let's talk about the mini marketing systems. This is upcoming. I got a lot of videos that haven't unlocked yet, guys. I'm just gonna pull the last video I did. Okay, I'm just gonna pull that video out. So I'm gonna click on that video, and it's gonna take me to that video, right? That's the video where I'm talking about how to edit your rebrandable marketing systems, and that's what I'm talking about now, right? So I'm gonna take, when I want to embed, I'm gonna pause this for a second. I'm gonna take that video and I'm gonna go to share, right, guys? I'm gonna go to where it says share. See where it says share right here? And I'm going to click share. Because when you click share, guys, and you come to embed, you can open up the embed code for that video, right? This is the code that we use to embed these videos, into these templates. So you want to highlight the whole code and you want to Control C or copy that code, right? And you're going to come back to the template that you want to edit inside of your membership, inside of Leads Lead, or inside of your rebrandable marketing system page, whatever page that is, and you're going to click inside the box where the video is, and then you'll see the existing embed code is over here. Let me go out. So I'm clicking on the video, and over here there's the existing embed code. I'm going to highlight the whole thing and take it out, and then I'm going to paste the one that I just put in, and then I'm going to hit save. And you'll see, guys, you got to do a little bit of adjusting, right? But that's cool because it takes mere seconds. Is technology cool or what? Because once you do that and you lined it all up, right? You lined it all up like you want to, then you're ready to go, guys. You just embedded a video inside of your page. And if you wanted to save it, come up here and hit save, right? But I'm not going to save it, guys, because I don't want to go back in and change this video. And I'm trying to think, do I have is that page active? I don't know. So I'm not going to save it. But if you wanted to save it, right, guys, if you wanted to save it, you would come up here and hit save. But I'm not. I'm going to undo those changes. I'm going to confirm that I want to undo those changes. The system's going to automatically recognize that I undid those changes, right? And I don't think I have to undo anything else because I think we're good now. Go undo, 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 undo. Did I undo? Yeah, I still got to undo some stuff, guys. So I'm still undoing, right? I'm undoing. Then there's the video. There's nothing else to undo, right? So I'm going to say okay. So I don't have to save anything. But you guys just watch that. So, you know, that's how easy, simple and easy it can be, right? To actually embed videos. So now I can go out of that page. I'm just going to leave. So I didn't make any changes. I'm going to go back to that page. And so you'll see that video should still be in there. But that's how you embed videos inside of your 1 Million Ways to Market with Brandable Marketing Systems, or any page. Or it could be a lead capture page. It doesn't really matter, guys. You can embed the videos inside of these pages. So that's as simple and easy as it can be for embedding videos inside of your rebrandable marketing systems. I highly encourage you guys get into some video marketing, because again, as we move on through the series and the playlist, and it'll be on, these videos will be on YouTube. They won't be inside the membership, because I'm just gonna put these videos on YouTube, and you guys can just kind of stand over my shoulder and get some ideas, and let your mind start to open and percolate in terms of what you're now capable of doing inside of the 1 million ways to market rebrandable marketing systems. Okay, so thanks so much for sitting in, guys. I appreciate you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's get hot.